What's up, guys? It's Chris.
What's up, guys? It's Chris. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching another video. And if this is your first time here, thank you in advance for subscribing to the channel and watching the video. So today we're going to be assembling and installing the Insinkerator Evolution Series Plus garbage disposal. This is supposed to be exclusive at a Home Depot, but it's not. It's really an awesome disposal though, guys. Unfortunately, they don't come with a power cord, so I'm going to show you how to wire up a power cord here real fast. Normally, you're going to want a strain relief. I highly suggest that anytime you buy a garbage disposal at Home Depot, Lowe's, anywhere, you buy the Insinkerator cord installation kit. It's the best way to go, guys. It'll save you time, money, and frustration, okay? So thankfully, I had a cord laying around on the truck I was able to use with a couple wire nuts. And you know, wired this thing up and got it going for the customer. But they're the ones who supply the disposal. I was working for a guy who really shouldn't be running a plumbing company, didn't really know what he was doing, so he didn't ask any questions. We weren't prepared when we got there, but thankfully, being experienced, I carry a cord on my truck, and what you're going to see me do now is wire this cord up. So what I like to do is I like to strip the cord back so that I've got my copper hanging out, and I kind of roll those copper into like a solid little cord there, and then I wind them up together with the corresponding cords inside of the garbage disposal. Now, because here in America, at least in Southern California, we have alternating current. It doesn't matter which way you wire this up, white to black, black to white, whatever. It'll work regardless. As long as you've got the ground attached, it shouldn't be a big problem. Just make sure you got those wire nuts on there secured nicely. I might even advise plugging the disposal in and making sure it runs before you install it after you put the cord in. But I mean, that's just me. Just takes one little Phillips screw to open up the little compartment where you're going to be sliding that cord in. I always recommend fishing a little bit more of the cord in than you need, and then you have a little bit to play with while you're in there. Go ahead and reattach the little cover that covers the little chamber that you've just attached your cord in. Alright guys, so now the cord installation is done and the hardest part is behind us. Let's go on to the easiest part, installing the drain 90. Slip the drain 90 in all the way, pull the clamp up, clamp it behind the flange on the drain 90, and you're done. That rubber gasket for the drain 90 is awesome and it works really well for beginner installers. And it actually is a feature that helps the disposal stay quieter than most disposals. So if you have a dishwasher, guys, you're going to want to knock this plug out here. And I advise not using a 4-in-1 screwdriver like I did here. I would use like a big long flathead or a chisel of some sort. The 4-in-1 for some reason always breaks a little plug apart when if I use a big long flathead, which I'm missing mine right now, I can get the plug out in one piece. If the plug breaks apart, guys, you're going to want to make sure before you install that disposal, you get all the little black pieces out. Because what will happen is those black pieces will get lodged in a certain area in the disposal and they'll make it sound awful. Or they'll jam the blades, one of the two. All right, cord's installed, plug is out, let's hang that disposal. Now I've got a few videos on this channel here that show you how to hang a disposal, a few little tricks I use. I like to shove my foot under the disposal to help offset the weight of the disposal, and then I just reach up with my two hands and lock that collar on. Once you've got the collar locked on by hand, you go ahead and grab your disposal key, that little offset Allen wrench tool. You slide that into one of those holes and you pull it towards you counterclockwise, and you'll feel it set in and lock, and the disposal's still movable after that. Okay guys, congratulations, you installed the disposal. Now you're going to test it for leaks. Once you've got your drain lines hooked up and everything like that, you're going to want to fill the sink that the disposal side is on all the way up and then drain it. And as long as you've got that disposal hung properly, all three sides are hung, you will not have this happen. If they aren't hung, if it's hung improperly, that's going to happen to you. I followed another plumber out on a call. He couldn't figure out what was going on. I found the leak immediately because I tested properly. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe, and if you want more, ring that bell.